Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how role-based access control works in Semaphore. Now right here on the right I have my organization-friendly traffic light where I already have a few members, and right here on the left I have my project called Shopping Mono Repo. So through this project and through this organization I'm going to show you how RBAC works. So let's get started. Now inside the organization you can easily add new people. So for instance, by clicking on the Add People button, I'm just going to invite a colleague of mine to this organization and he will get added to the list. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add another person, so a bot account called Launchpad Robot. And with this you can easily add people to your organization, and you can see that the default role is the member role. Now you can also group members together. So let's for instance create a new group called bots and name it read only access, and to this group we can easily add our two bots, the Launchpad robot and the Semaphore robot. And with this we can also create groups, which kind of gives us a structurized way of how our members in our organization are organized. So this is groups, so groups and adding people to our organization. Now let's check out how it works on a project level. Here on the left I have my Shopping Mono Repo project, and by default Semaphore imports all of the roles that are already present in your repository. So the permissions that you have inside GitHub or Bitbucket automatically get transferred to Semaphore as well. So if someone has access to a GitHub repository, he will also have access to the project inside Semaphore. For instance, in my case, I am the one who created this repo and I'm also the administrator of the organization, and Alex is the contributor to this project on GitHub. Now I can easily add people to the project. So for instance, I want to add Thomas, and you can easily also assign a role to him. He can either be admin, contributor, or reader. So I'm just going to give him a reader access. So Thomas is actually not part of the GitHub repository, and in this case Thomas is going to get access to the Shopping Mono Repo dashboard on Semaphore, and he'll be able to see what's going on with the project itself. Now with this we can add people to our projects, and they have specific roles as well. Once inside the project itself, you can also add groups to the project. So for instance, I have these two bots over here, Launchpad Robot and Semaphore Robot, and they are from the group called bots. For instance, I can add a group to this project, bots, and we can also assign them the reader role. So basically what happens now, both of these two will only get the reader role on this project. And with this system you can basically fine-tune the permissions on the organization level and on a per project level as well. You can see it's really easy to set up roles in your organization and also then fine-tune permissions on a per project level. So make sure you try this feature out and also check out the docs. And if you haven't, sign up and try us out.